good luck. Hello, this is Pavel Baturin. Welcome to the new video. I'm trying to reach some waterfall here on the Crna River, Black River Canyon. According to Google Maps, I will find the waterfall we trail down. We have to go this way down. There are two rivers. One river goes here and other one goes where, and somewhere down they join together. This is one of the most beautiful trails I ever hiked. I think I don't need to go lower. I just can take this waterfall from here, from this position with telephoto lens. At least I can try. So I'm starting with wide angle lens just to be able to take the waterfall, the bend of the river, and a little bit of foreground with grass here. Oh, and we got a piece of light here. I have to use this opportunity. Several shots. I will show you the composition if you promise me to hit the like button. Here is the waterfall itself. Here is the bend of the river. And also I do love this fluffy grass. Here is the waterfall. Here is the bend of the river and a little bit of grass, for which I have to be sure to focus stack this shot. The wind is getting stronger. I just hope everything is gonna be alright. I really hope so. Now I'm using the telephoto lens. As you can see, I get really close to the waterfall. And let's try to take a shot. I want to try to take several exposures. The weather forecast was okay, like sunny with no rain. Let's hope it's true. Oops. So, what I'm trying to do, I want to take at least two exposures. One really fast one with all these drops of the water just freeze in a moment, and the second one is a long exposure, just to show this flow of the water flowing down smoothly. And probably I can stitch both exposures after all in Lightroom, just to stitch together two expressions, two sentences about this waterfall, like smoothness of the water and the sharpness of each particular drop. I hope you can understand me, because I'm not sure if I can understand myself. I found a different angle. This is the previous position, if you can see my backpack. And now I get a little bit lower. I was hoping to get a better point of view to this waterfall. Part of the water is covered by the branches of this tree. I'm not sure, but again, it's at least it's worth trying. The wind is getting really crazy, like stormy, and probably it's time to reach my second location here. I was hoping to fly a drone today, but unfortunately it's definitely wrong day to fly a drone. Friday, December 1st. And I just want to say that hiking in all this winter stuff is not funny at all. It's not entertaining. At least if you just turned 46 and you never been into any kind of sport. Probably I have to start right now. This sky is amazing, and this landscape is made for shooting. The wind is so strong, but I have to hold my tripod because my camera is and I have to keep an iPhone in my hand. It's so just weird.
Hello and welcome to the office of Baturin Group, my design studio, which is sponsor of this video. So as I promised, I want to show you the entire process of post-editing of these shots. So as you can see, I got two exposures here of this wonderful waterfall. This is more or less long exposure. And this is pretty fast one with the always drops, and the main idea is to stitch those files together. So basically I want to show in one shot both smoothness of the water and particular drops of the water. That's why I need two exposures. Well, I have to edit those shots first of all. I always start with auto settings just to take a look what Lightroom can offer me. I want to recalibrate this photo. This calibration, want to add a little more for the blue channel and slightly change the measurements for green one. And the main thing I have to edit is a little bit of masking, just to emphasize the contrast between this white waterfall stream and dark surroundings. So nothing fancy, just a radial mask. The trick is to make it inverted. So this is pretty much it, and now a very important step, I have to synchronize those edits between both photos. But as you remember, this shot is way lighter, so when I apply these settings, yeah, definitely I have to reduce the exposure here just to match it. And now both shots look pretty much the same, and the only thing I have to do is send those shots as layers to Photoshop to stitch them together. And okay, here are in Photoshop, we got two layers. Let's call this one fast and this one slow. Obviously, the only thing I have to do now is the mask the slow layer from the fast one. Now I take white brush and let's smooth this stuff here just by drawing, and this is the particular effect I want to achieve. When I got a part of the stream is very smooth and the part of the stream is very sharp. As I understand this shot, the main magic is showing in one frame the smoothness of the water and the sharpness of each particular dot. And the very important is to get rid of things like this. As you can see, my camera was slightly moved by the wind. That's why we have to be very careful and get rid of all those ghosting. So take a look how cool this is. This is one layer and this is another. Let's save it and send it back to the Lightroom for final editing. I don't like this yellowish reflex on the water. I selected the subject, which is obviously the waterfall, and at this selection I want to try to get rid of this yellowish water. The main thing is done. I want to crop this shot a bit for 4x5. And that's it. Here is the shot. If you like what I do, please consider to subscribe to my channel, or at least hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching, and ciao for now.